Hello guys, so I want to talk about reference to pointer in C++. Now in C we don't have like a reference to a pointer, right? So excuse me. Um, in this code here, we have include IOStream and we're not using namespace. We're going with std cout and std endl because we're utilizing cout and endl in this code. Yeah. Now we'll start mainly from line 10 here. We have a and a is equals to 1. Line 11 says that the address of a is assigned to a pointer ptr1. So that means that ptr1 is pointing to a. So at this stage, let's say line 12 here, the address of ptr1 would be actually the address of a. Then we have ptr1 being assigned by reference to pointer 2. So what this really means in line 13 is that ptr1 now has another name. So it is now having a second name, which is pointer 2. This implies that the address of both ptr1 and ptr2 would be the same, and that would be the address of a. Then we have a next variable b. So let's say this is b here, holding a value of 5. So b has an address. Then we're saying that the address of b goes to pointer 2. So what that means is that we are disconnecting from pointer 1, from a now, because we are assigning the address of b to pointer 2. So now here we have b, right? So this is pointing here. Now if we assign the address of b to pointer 2, it means pointer 1 also have the same address, because these two names are pretty much, synonymous. So now we're gonna have the pointer 1 address gonna be the address of b, pointer 2 address the address of b, and the reference values of pointer 1 and pointer 2 is gonna be the actual value that is stored in b, which is 5. The address of a will be the same as you know these two lines on top here, right? Because a address remains the same. Address of b, well, we can get that here. Address of b will be in b address is stored in pointer 1 and pointer 2, and the value of b is gonna be 5. All right, so I'll just run this code, and you can pause the video, and you can see what's happening here. So the pointer is pretty much changing what it's pointing to. Initially it's pointing to a, and then it starts pointing to b, and it has an additional name, right? In both cases here, initially ptr1 alone was there, then we created another pointer by reference to ptr1, that is ptr2. So these two are actually the same pointer. All right, so let's run the code and see how this goes. So here's the code, and I would have compiled this before, but I'll run it back again here. So it's reference So we can see now from the output here, if I can snip this, so just for clarity. So we have here the first print C out pointer 1 at line 11. So at this point, pointer 1 holds the address of A. Now the address of A is here. So pointer 1 is getting that address. And pointer 2 also have the same address. This is going to be here. So this is address of A, address of A. Then we have the pointer address of B is assigned to pointer 2. So the address of B here, let's put a different color. So now B, sorry, the address of B is 8A14. You can see that both pointer 1 and pointer 2 now have the address of B. And when you dereference pointer 1 and 2, because they're pointing to B, you would have the value that is stored at B, which is 5. So that's pretty much what this code is showing. The takeaway point here, you should look at line 13 here. When we have a syntax of this nature, we're saying here a pointer is assigned to another pointer by reference. So pretty much pointer 1 and pointer 2 becomes the same pointer. They're holding the same address. All right. So that is all I want to share in this video, guys. So I think I'll do some more videos now with C++. So bye for now.